John Dutton, Thomas Shelby, James Bond, and Tyler Durden. What do these characters have in common? They can all fight pretty well, but most importantly, they exude confidence in every way, from their body language, the way they speak, and their actions.
Just a man trying to make an honest living in a very dark world.
But here's the thing, you don't need to be a fictional character to earn respect and to be confident. And then in this video, I want to show you some powerful strategies to help you build that unbreakable self-assurance and earn the respect that you deserve. And first, you're going to need to master the art of communication. James Bond, very suave, he's the British spy. He can charm his way out of any situation. His smooth communication skills are legendary. How does he do it? Why do we as viewers feel that confidence just oozing out of the screen when we're watching him? Well, he listens actively, he maintains eye contact, and he speaks with precision, whether he's negotiating a high-stakes deal or just sharing a moment with a love interest. Tyler Durden's speeches gave him the ability to rally other people to his cause. He has really strong, persuasive communication skills that inspired confidence in everyone listening.
Our great war is a spiritual war. Our great depression is our lives.
This stuff works. Effective communication is key to earning respect. Practice speaking clearly, maintaining eye contact while you're speaking, and using body language to show confidence. And remember, sometimes it's not even about what you say, but how you say it. It's also about how you look. You need to dress the part to be respected. If you're walking around looking like a bum, people will assume you're a bum. If you're well dressed, people will immediately respect you more. And I don't mean dressed up in a suit, by the way. That's obviously very sharp looking, and I love suits. But I mean well dressed no matter what your personal style is. You could be wearing a t-shirt, some pants, sneakers, but if you pull it off well, it doesn't matter. People will notice that you pay attention to detail, that you have a sense of style. And that's a huge win because first impressions matter. Thomas Shelby from Peaky Blinders, he understands the importance of dressing well, dressing the part. His style is impeccable. James Bond does the same. Whether he's on vacation or at a black tie gala event, he knows how to look his best effortlessly. Even John Dutton, who's a cowboy, his style is completely different from other guys. But if you pay close attention, his style is actually pretty sick. It's well put together. Everything fits him well. It's not lazy, and I absolutely love his iconic jacket. It actually makes me want to dress like a cowboy, and that's not even my style. So invest in a wardrobe that reflects your personal style, makes you feel like $1,000,000, because when you look good, you feel good, and other people will notice. Now, in today's world, there's one thing that these characters didn't really get to benefit from, but we do. This new technology gets people to respect you without them ever even meeting you in real life, and that's social media. Nowadays, you can easily find someone's whole life online. You can look up their names and boom, you get their Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. I talked about first impressions, and this is by far the most important first impression that you can make. When people see your social media accounts, what do they think of you? Are you always partying, traveling? Are you funny? Are you well dressed? How many followers do you have? We live in a day and age where that matters. Having a following on Instagram, for example, can give you so many real life benefits. For example, first, you can set up your profile to attract the right type of partner that you're looking for. Showcasing your interests, your best side. It's a highlight reel of your life, and it makes you look great. It's the perfect first impression. So it gets girls to DM you, and you can take it from there. Second, you can actually use your Instagram to make a part-time or even full-time income. A lot of people don't know this. For me, this was life-changing. A lot of my income is currently generated through sponsorships that I get on Instagram. I work with brands like MasterCard, Creed, Patron, and these brands pay me to integrate their products into my lifestyle and showcase that to my audience. It's an incredible business model, and I'm very, very passionate about it. That's why I created the influencersystem.com. It's a system that you can follow to set up your Instagram profile and achieve the best results. Whether you want to set it up to have a beautiful Instagram that gives people a great first impression, or you want to make some extra cash from sponsorships that could eventually lead you to quitting your 9-to-5 job, which was what happened to me. I quit my 6-figure career at Google to do this full time. And within the first year of quitting, I made 5 times what I made at Google. It was the best decision I've ever made. I have over 45 videos showing you how I did it, what you need to do to achieve the same, and how you can grow your following quickly. I know a lot of you are trying to grow your following, but you don't know what to post, when to post it, or how. You can keep trying on your own, and maybe someday one of your posts will go viral, but let's be honest, probably not. The chances are low. At least that's not what happened to me. It took me years of trying things, throwing things against the wall to see if something would stick. You can bypass all of that and learn from someone who's done it, who's made all the mistakes so you don't have to make them, and who's learned the way so you can follow it. And I continue to do it every single day. Check out theinfluencersystem.com and get started, because one thing I can say for sure, the longer you wait, the tougher the competition, the harder it's gonna get. More and more people will learn about the earning potential social media has to offer. It's about to surpass the $300 billion mark by 2024. So this isn't small, this is huge. And I would love to help you take a piece of that pie home. It's the first link in the description of this video. Which brings us to the next point of commanding respect, helping others. Being helpful and generous can actually earn a lot of respect. Just think back to the last time someone helped you when you were in a bind, right? When you were in a tough time. Maybe you needed a loan. Maybe somebody helped you feel better when you were down, or maybe somebody helped you achieve a specific goal that you couldn't have reached without this person's help. When you think of that person who helped you, does it make you like them more? Respect them more? It does, right? You now know that this person is legit and you can count on them to help you when things get tough. And that's enough to earn your respect. James Bond is always in situations where innocent lives are at stake, and his priorities are very clear. Protect those individuals. Thomas Shelby helps his community, protects his family, no matter the cost. And that's how he's so respected. And Tyler Durden just wanted to show people their true potential, even if he was, pretty extreme with his methods. So provide value to others, help them, and they will in turn respect you. And if you ever need their help, they'll probably be there for you because they will remember all that you've done for them. This is how you build a strong network, your allies, let's say. You give without really asking or expecting anything in return. And remember that to be respected, you have to show respect. One of the best ways to earn respect is to show respect to others. Treat everyone, regardless of their position, status, with kindness, politeness, consideration. Maybe it's the doorman in your building that you see every day but never really talk to, or the janitor at school who's always there but you've never even said a word to them. We tend to get numb to these interactions, right? And just brush them aside. But when you put down these walls and start looking around, you start to notice a lot of incredible people who deserve your time, attention, and respect. Thomas Shelby values loyalty and respect within his gang above everything else. He even acknowledges the capabilities of his enemies, showing respect for their intelligence or their capabilities. But they would never be respected unless they showed the most important thing on this list, and that is confidence. Confidence is a magnet for respect. And confidence can be shown in many ways, sometimes in something as simple as holding eye contact even during conflict or awkwardness. Thomas Shelby is a great example of that. Even when he's up against the most dangerous enemies, he doesn't back down. He maintains eye contact and shows through body language that he is confident in who he is. James Bond's confidence is unwavering. Whether he's defusing a bomb, seducing a spy, or driving a high-speed car, it doesn't matter. His belief in his training, his intelligence, and ability to handle any situation is evident in his actions. Now, hopefully you don't have to defuse any bombs or go up against any dangerous criminals, but you can apply this to your everyday life. For example, when you're talking to someone, stand up straight with great posture. Listen to them, maintain eye contact. Don't be jittering, moving around too much, fidgeting. Being on camera so much, I've improved my body language a lot. In my first videos, I looked so uncomfortable. My body language wasn't strong. And the reason being, I wasn't confident. I just wasn't. I was nervous. Now I can shoot these videos in my sleep. It's second nature. Get comfortable being in uncomfortable situations. The more you do it, the quicker you will adapt. So if you're uncomfortable talking to girls, guess what? Do it 100 times until it's no longer an issue. That's how you build confidence, with practice and with experience. And speaking of girls, if you want to know why I think you should stop chasing girls immediately, I have a whole theory about that. Check out this video right here. And don't forget to go to theinfluencersystem.com if you're ready to take a piece of that $300 billion industry. I'll see you there.